Getting the dashboard set up on the phone interface for the scooter. And hopefully the camera is showing a good view, an appropriate view. I'm hoping not to get caught in the rain. I think I feel some drops. I don't know. I always don't like going through this one section here because I'm always afraid I'm going to hit those wires. This should be cool. I'm anxious to see how the Ace does in low light situations. I don't think I've ever filmed in low light with it before, so we'll see how it goes. My plan is to ride down into Vermilion, catch some of the back roads, head down to the beach, ride around there a little bit, and then probably head back home. Today is Thursday, and every third Thursday, Vermilion has live music playing in different locations throughout town, and there's a lot of activity going on, and people go down there to listen to some music and eat at the restaurants and all that stuff. Now, I don't know if it'll still be going on now or not, but we will see. Whoa. I looked off to the side and I could have wiped out. I didn't, but I could have. So, need to relax there a little bit. Ooh, that was quite a bump. I'm coming down this way to go down this driveway and basically get away from cars so I can cross the street. Sidewalks are really rough around here. Be nice if they could they had the money to redo all the sidewalks here in Vermilion, but that'll probably never happen. Now, I don't have an external mic hooked up yet, so we're just using the mic on the Ace Pro. Hopefully there won't be a whole lot of wind noise or anything like that. Now, I am going to have to be careful, as there is a lot of activity going on down here tonight. Nice old car. What's nice about these side roads is that you can just kind of cruise, look around. Kind of run the stop signs and go where you want to go. This is our newly done beachfront area. Took the scooter down here before while it was still being worked on, and now it's complete. So it's pretty. Got a little convenience station here with public restrooms, the beach, the lighthouse. See if I can go up here. Yeah, wasn't too bad. And I will zip on up here, make a couple rounds. Those people are packing up the music. So yes, it's a really nice area downtown Vermilion, Ohio here. Sure, they spent a lot of money on this, and some people are upset that a large sum of money was spent on improving this beachfront park area rather than repairing or redoing some of the roads around here that are in, oh, that's okay, that are in severe disrepair. But, you know, it's always going to be people upset about something, right or wrong. See how many people. See how many people are miffed by the whole scooter situation. Hello. Yeah, I've been beeping the horn for 5 seconds. Oh, there's a pool party that Catherine was telling me about at Vermilion Boat Club here. They're supposed to have a pool party tonight for the little ones, and they're going to watch Moana while they're hanging out in the pool. For the little ones in town, so that's cool. So yeah, it's fun just zipping around town with this thing. I enjoy it. Lots of traffic. Take you across the bridge here, and then we'll turn around and go up the other side of the street and do another pass by the beach, and see what we decide from there. Very nice bridge. It was redone now. I don't know how long it's been now. A couple years, maybe more. It was redone, and they did a really good job on it. They always have the nice flowers along the length of the bridge, which is really cool. And of course, we have Quaker Steak and Lube, which is right on the Vermilion River that leads out to Lake Erie. It's always nice to dine out there. It's been a year, maybe two, since I've eaten here, so maybe I'll take the kids here tomorrow. We'll see what everyone's doing. But that would be fun. Yeah. Nickname for Vermilion. One of the nicknames is Harbor Town. Back across the bridge here. Now this road I'm paralleling here is Liberty Avenue, which is also known as Route 6. And that goes right through Vermilion. When it's safe, I'll look for a opportunity to cross the street. It's threatening rain, spitting a little bit. Of course, I'm not afraid of a little bit of rain, so I'll be okay. It doesn't feel like it's going to be a downpour. It just feels like it's going to continue.
Smiling.
That's okay. Got some activity back behind one of the bars here. Maybe I'll take one more spin. This person's not paying any attention. Take one more spin through town, and then maybe I'll... Oh, they just stopped abruptly. zip through here. Go down the sidewalk, run into a few more people. Get another view of everything. Things are wrapping up. Third Thursday is almost done. Make sure I don't run into someone here. Rear view mirror is kind of nice. I struggle to find the right position for the mirror to where it's most effective, but what I need to do is get it adjusted, find the sweet spot, and then lock it down with an Allen wrench so it doesn't move. The thing is, when I pack it up, put it in the car, a lot of times that mirror gets banged around and then it moves. And then I'm starting from square one again. So my GPS speed says 15.2.3 miles an hour. The speedometer on the scooter itself says 16. So it's somewhere around there. Looks like there's a car coming. There you go. You did good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn in here. No sense in riding on the road if I don't have to. So yeah, this was a nice, quick little ride. Phone's getting a little wet, but that's okay. It can survive being submerged in water. It can certainly survive a few little raindrops. Now, if I can time it right, I'm gonna cross the street